With more ways to connect across new and emerging channels, more potential to harness first-party data, and more creativity and efficiency unlocked by artificial intelligence, brands today have unprecedented opportunities to forge connections with their customers. Here's how the world's most engaging marketers do it with Braze. To create relationships with customers, you have to understand their preferences and behaviors. But that's easier said than done when customer data can be spread across a variety of systems, data warehouses, customer devices, and third-party applications. Luckily, the data activation layer in Braze makes it easy to integrate first-party data from any source, no matter what system you're using. Unify it all into customer profiles, take action in real time, and update it as you learn more about your customers. Once customer data is integrated and unified in Braze, it can be used in the insights and segmentation layer to better understand their preferences, where they are in their journeys, when they're most likely to engage, and what kind of experiences are most relevant for them. This allows us to activate their data, make predictions about where they'll go next, and deliver experiences that match their needs. But Braze doesn't just group customers into lists that require manual updates. Our patented audience building solution makes it easy for customers to move into and out of relevant audience segments as their interests or behavior changes. And thanks to Braze AI, we can predict customers' probability of taking a high-value action, such as making a purchase. Speaking of Braze AI, let's quickly look at how its powerful features are layered throughout our platform. AI can help automate, personalize, optimize timing, channels, and content, and even aid in the creative process. We'll see more useful ways to leverage AI in the following layers. Once you've gotten to know your customer, you can use the Braze platform's orchestration layer to put them on the fastest path to your products and services. Here, you can build, experiment, and optimize experiences to reach your business goals, like acquiring customers, deepening loyalty, or reactivating an abandoned cart using intuitive journey building that sends users down the best path with drag-and-drop branching, delays, audience syncs, messaging, and more. Creative experimentation with copy, content, timing, channel mix, and promotions, and AI optimization to automatically find the journey that's most likely to convert. We want to ensure that the experiences we provide to each customer are and remain relevant. Doing that goes far beyond personalization and requires gathering everything we understand about their preferences, behaviors, and where they are in their journey. Plus, our predictions about what they might do next, and combining it all with our creative ideas to deliver highly tailored experiences that drive impact for both the customer and the brand. Customers interact with your brand from a range of digital touchpoints. Braze makes it easy to meet them where they are, with native support for email, mobile, web, paid media, and more. You can activate all the right channels and add new ones, all from one platform. So you always deliver consistent experiences that customers expect on the channels that matter most. The best part? As your customers engage with your brand, you're learning more about what works for them and what doesn't. Insights gained about customers flow back into the top of the stack as you learn more. You can also use the Braze platform's robust reporting tools and integrations with your third-party analytics systems to gain insights, iterate and improve the customer experience, and keep your team informed about how your customer engagement efforts are moving the needle. Finally, because Braze is built with each of these layers seamlessly integrated, you can create experiences for any scale at real-time speed. There's never been a better time to be a better marketer. And with Braze, it's never been simpler to deliver highly memorable, relevant customer engagement. And when you do, you'll build relationships that drive loyalty, earn brand equity, and grow your business. Join the world's most engaging brands and get started with Braze.